Realme X50. The next generation 5G smartphone from the Chinese company Realme is set to come with all new features to compete against Redmi K30 5G. Realme X50 5G is teased to come with an enhanced version of VOOC 4.0 flash charge and all new cooling system and a powerful processor. So to know everything about this, sit back, relax and watch the complete video. So first, let's start with what is confirmed from Realme itself. Realme, through a post on Weibo, revealed that unlike offering a traditional heat sink tube, the new smartphone will come with a 5-dimensional ice-cooled heat dissipation system. But the name sounds gimmicky. Anyways, it will cover 100% area of the heat sources. In terms of specs, the phone uses 8mm ultra-large diameter liquid-cooled copper tube, 410 cubic millimeter of ultra-large volume, and with the liquid-cooled copper tube heat dissipation 3.0. Meaning, you will be able to play games for a long time without worrying about your phone getting hot. Gaming on phones does not require only cool phones but also uninterrupted connection, cause everyone likes game like Battle Royale which require continuous internet, and for that Realme has come up with support for dual channel which will enable simultaneous use of Wi-Fi and 5G. The company says that the Realme X50 5G will support dual channel Wi-Fi and 5G for online connectivity at the same time, which can smartly increase the network speed under all scenarios. It further adds that the phone can be network accelerated and can make use of both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for Wi-Fi. Not just that, Realme has also revealed that the smartphone will cover all the mainstream frequency bands for the 5G connectivity, including N1, N41, N78 and N79, and will support both standalone and non-standalone dual mode networking with 5G connectivity. Now, your phone is cool as well as connected all the time to the internet, but any phone, whether gaming or not, it will require huge battery capacity because the usage of smartphone has increased a lot over time. So for that, Realme X50 5G will carry the enhanced VOOC 4.0 flash charge technology with 4500 mAh battery capacity. This much battery will be enough to take you through a day or two without any trouble. Now, the very first leak we had seen was the processor. Realme announced that the Realme X50 5G will come with the freshly announced Snapdragon 765G processor, which is the GPU boosted variant of the Snapdragon 765. It comes with the Snapdragon X50 to 5G modem integration, which offers download speeds of up to 1.2 Gbps on 4G and 3.7 Gbps on 5G. Now it's time for some leaks. It's been leaked that Realme X50 will come with quad camera setup where the main camera will be 64 megapixel lens, probably the Sony IMX686 sensor, but nothing is confirmed as of yet. Additionally, it will get dual camera setup on the front, which is confirmed, but the sensors are not known. Now coming to the rumors, there are some contradictory rumors regarding the display. Some rumors suggest a smaller 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz, and some suggest 6.6-inch LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. What I think is there are more chances of LCD display being used as the design is dual punch hole and only Samsung uses AMOLED panel with dual punch hole setup. Anyways, what do you think? Which display would they use? Realme X50 is believed to be backed by 6GB and 8GB RAM option along with 128GB and 256GB of internal storage options. And if you are wondering about the launch, then it will probably launch at the end of this month or in the first week of next month in China. For India, as you all know, it will take few months. And if you liked what you saw, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you next time. Peace out.